Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to add the games that you're playing to Discord. So first of all, what you need is, for this to work, you need the Discord app to be on your phone or PC. So you're just going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, so then now once your Discord is opened up, you're going to go onto settings, user settings, which that's where it's going to be on the bottom left. And from here you're gonna go down to account privacy. Make sure that all of these are checked. Share your activity status by default. Okay, no, not so much that one. More share your detected activities with others. That needs to be on. And then you're gonna go on to registered games. Okay guys, so then under registered games, any game that you have downloaded onto your PC, it's actually gonna show up in here. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those games that Discord picks up, but if you have one of those, they're gonna show up here, and that's basically where you're gonna add them. So yeah, that's basically how it works, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.